or welcome back. So I just wanted to get on here and upload a really quick Shop My Closet Poshmark haul edition. So pretty much I'm doing like some spring cleaning, just sorting through some items that I have that I've noticed that I've never worn or I'm probably not gonna wear again. So I just wanted to come on here and upload a couple of the items that I thought were worth showing off, and you know, so if you're interested, you'll be able to purchase these from my Poshmark. Jumping right into it, I have this red bandage dress from Fashion Nova, and it's actually a size medium, and it was basically the last size they had on clearance when I really wanted this item like maybe 2 years ago. And I was like, man, I gotta get into that. Well, currently I still can't get into it, so I'm like, you know what, there will be more dresses, so I'll just post this one and give somebody else the opportunity to finally wear it, because it is super cute, and it's like the really heavy bandage material, like luxurious. The second bandage dress I have is actually from Aliexpress. It is a white bandage dress that has a tie around the waist and a cute cutout. I believe House of CB makes this exact style. So I got this for my bachelorette party. I wish I could have gotten to it so I could have worn it, but it's really beautiful. So I will be adding that. The last bandage dress is from Fashion Nova, and this is a extra large. The last white dress was like a Aliexpress large, so I would say like a medium for someone. And this one was just a lot sexier than I thought it was gonna be. So I won't be getting any wear out of this. It has the openings all down the sides. Really cute mini dress, like burgundy. And this next item is like this gem, it's like this stoned bandage dress. I really love the detail that was on this. It looks like it was custom made. So it even got the tag on it. This was a 1X. Yeah, it was really cute. I just didn't think it was that flattering on me. But the top is see-through, but the bottom is actually double-lined. But yeah, really nice. And then the next thing I have is a two-piece set, which is like this sparkly looking, it's like a pants and top set. It's like the really nice flare pants. Really nice flare pant with a cute bralette. The bralette, it actually has some padding in it, which is nice. And this is actually an extra large, and the bottoms are a little see-through, so you just have to wear like a black panty. But really cute. I got to wear this like one time. And the next clothing item I have is this jumpsuit that I actually got from a store out here in Houston, Fashion House. So it's like a fake bandage look to it, if you can. And the pants are skinny. Pants are skinny. Now this is a size large. It's really stretchy though. But yeah, deep plunge. And it's like this mauve-y, like a mauve purple pink color. Really pretty. Two dresses I'm showing are very similar in style. The first one, this used to be really popular for Fashion Nova. It was actually the first item I ever bought from them. And it's like this pleather, really sexy dress. Sexy midi dress. The zipper. Yeah, this is the extra large. I got to wear this one time for my birthday like 4 years ago. And then the next is similar in style. And it is like a suede velvet. The extra large as well. And I really like that detail with the top. Really long midi dress. Yeah, super sexy. And last two things I'll show will be some shoes that I'll post. So these shoes I'll be posting, I actually got them from Amiclubwear, and they're like this mesh booty with the clear heel. I wore these maybe 2 or 3 times. But yeah, super cute. It comes up past the ankle. These are a size 10. But yeah. And then the last shoe is actually my wedding shoe, which is a Louboutin inspired. It's like this mesh diamond crusted with the silver back and red bottom heel. And I only got to wear these one time on my wedding day. And I'll be honest, they're not comfortable, but they are really, really stinking, really cute. So maybe somebody's getting married or a prom. I think these were perfect. Like those were some occasion heels. So I'll be posting some more items, and I'll put a link down for my Poshmark below, and you can go ahead and pick up these things, and I'll be adding more over time because I'm always shopping and always needing to get rid of the old. So pretty much subscribe to my channel if you like to see more content from me, and give me some thumbs up.